It's going to be an interesting print, given all of the tentpole signs we see of encroaching competition. Lucid's trading today. I know you're watching Mercedes. What do you think they're going to say? What do you think they need to say?
Well, I think they need to shore up some confidence around sort of what's happening with the 4860, their new battery form factor, their new structural pack. I think there's a lot of questions about that. They raised a lot of hype about that around Battery Day, which was a while ago now. And the signs that we've gotten, or the guidance that we've gotten from them since, has been a little bit hard to read. So I think that's definitely one area. And then, of course, just Europe is on fire right now. Both sort of how things are going there and really what the plan is besides just building a factory. I think thus far we've heard, sort of like the idea that this factory will just sort of solve all their problems in Europe. And they really need to make sure that they're making the most of that market while it's as hot as it is. Right.
Their standing response to any sort of competitive question for years now has been, look, the more entrants, the better. It feeds awareness. It feeds adoption. It's a flywheel for the entire industry, and that will help Tesla. But as we start to talk more and more about share, I wonder which competitor or would-be competitor you're watching the most right now.
Well, Lucid just went public, and I think they're one that I've sort of watched for a while because I think they have a really interesting positioning in terms of being very similar to Tesla in a lot of ways, but kind of being a little bit more of an unabashed luxury brand. I think a lot of people who buy Tesla are buying for the status, and really with Tesla they get the status, but they don't get sort of the comforts and the creature comforts that sort of a luxury car buyer is looking for. And so I think Lucid is interestingly positioned there. But actually, having just sort of had our first chance to look at the Mercedes EQS, I think that is actually going to be a really, really tough player in this sort of premium and increasingly luxury EV space, just because it brings so much to the table that Mercedes has and that startups simply can't really compete with.